Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am shooting live from the lab, aka my workstation, aka my office. All right, so I just got this box. I'm about to unbox it. Everything will be listed on the video, so if you see something that you like or you need, you could just click on it and purchase. If I'm not able to tag it in the video, then I will link it below in the description and you can purchase there. So either way, okay, whatever you see, it's yours. All right, so let's get into it. I don't know what happened to my box cutter, like it just up and walked away. So we're gonna get into it with this knife. Okay, this is not the biggest box. I would say this is like a small medium unboxing, okay? But we got some goodies in here that I'm really excited about. I just made this set. You know, I'm not gonna you're not gonna see these beautiful nails and me not talk about them, okay? This is the dragon fruit set. I just made this, just added to the collection yesterday. All right, so that will also be linked below if you want to purchase this set. So anyway, enough about that. Let's get into this box. Ooh, I love doing an unboxing. It's been a minute since I did an unboxing. The last one I did was the big one. You guys loved that video. Take the packing slips just so I can make sure, so I can cross off everything, make sure everything is accounted for in here. Okay, give me a little marker from my office. Boom. All right, first things first, we got the sticky tabs. I have a whole video just about sticky tabs. I go through a lot of these. When you guys order your sets from me, you will have a set of sticky tabs, okay? More about that in another video. I guess I'll open this one first since I got my hand on it. So I got a box of these nail tips. I've never used this brand before. This is more so for my personal use, or not even necessarily my personal use. Like when you guys see the nail sets on my site, and like the ones that I have on right now, they are 9 times out of 10 in XXL coffin. And so this is just another brand of XXL coffin for me to try out, okay? Because I go through these really fast. And then I'm really excited about these. The NOVO extra thick. These are the long coffin, and so I was out, so I got these. Like when I really stick the nails on, I usually do a long or extra long. These are XXL long. I can work with these, but you know, this length I usually just wear on camera just to showcase my newest sets, and I apply these with the sticky tabs. But like I said, more about that in another video, okay? This is what I'm really excited about. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. Got a little weight to it. Goodness. It's a lot of stuff in here. That's why. Now you see how I did that? Use my nail as the tool. I don't recommend you do that, but you see how I just did that with these press-ons, okay? And I got these on with the sticky tabs right now, because I'm about to take these off and put on another set. Ooh, I can smell the acetone. I hope it didn't spill. Never use this brand, but I'm always up to trying new things. Ooh, this smells really strong. Oh. Ooh, I hope that didn't spill, because this... All right, let me just get through the box, all right? It's like taking my breath away. So we got some acrylic brushes. We got nail forms. If you know, you know. Before I was a press-on Gel X Gel Girly, I used to get with these, with the acrylics, the sculpted acrylic. That was all I did. And then when I moved to LA, nobody was doing sculpted acrylics here. They didn't even know what I was talking about. I'm like, what? What you mean you don't know what I'm talking about? The dapping dish. You can never have too many of these, ever. Oh, this came with a nail drill? I did not realize a nail drill came in this kit. Okay, let's open this up. I didn't need this, but hey, didn't realize this came in the kit. And this kit was very reasonably priced. I'm genuinely so shocked. I didn't realize that was in there. I guess I skipped over that because that wasn't why I bought the kit. But let's open it up anyway. Oh, it's so little and cute and lightweight. Okay. I got the plug, charger, so I can charge. Okay. I did see there were bits on here. I just thought it was bits. I guess that wasn't too smart of me to think that. Okay, this also was not why I bought this kit, but you can never have too many drills and too many bits. Got the diamond head bit. It's nice. I'm not mad at you, VANSISOS. I'm gonna be mad if this monomer has spilled, but we'll see. You know what? We just gonna set that aside. It didn't. Oh, did it spill? It must have, unless they didn't fill it up all the way. Yeah, it must have spilled a little bit. Okay, we got monomer. He's probably like, what is she doing with the monomer and the nail forms? Like I said, I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. All right. This is really why I got this set. I was trying to open this up nicely. It's in here so tight, my goodness. This is what I've been waiting for. Ooh. If you don't know what these are, you about to know right now. Colored acrylic. I'm so excited. You're like, what are you about to do with those? Flowers, baby. Flowers, okay? Like, I used to have all this stuff, but if you're new here, since I've started my press-on business, I had to rebuild my whole nail supply collection because I used to do nails in the past, but I was doing acrylic, sculpted acrylic, like I just said a few minutes ago, and I had given my supplies away to a friend because there was a period in time where I just wasn't using them. So here we are now, and I've been wanting to do some flowers on the nails for a minute, and so I finally just got around to buying some colored acrylics. I personally don't care for the look of the 3D flowers that are made with gel. I don't like those. They don't really stay on. I've had my nails done by someone else and the whole flower came off. I'm like, an acrylic would never. Okay, so I had to get me some colored acrylic because I have some really beautiful ideas that include 3D flowers, and I didn't have any acrylic or monomer, so now I have all of these. I've never used this brand before at all, but because it's just for petals and making flowers, I'm like, why not? You know, if I don't like it, then I'll invest in some, you know, Be Beauty Pure or whatever later. And I kind of see they got a similar, okay, we ain't gonna get into that. So let's see. I'm pretty sure they had good reviews, and oh, that's a pretty pink. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to be pleased with these because, like I said, it's mainly just for making petals and things. These are really nice. Well, the colors anyway. I will say these are way more vibrant in person than they were on the screen. Like, these look like the nails I have on. I wasn't expecting them to be that vibrant, because they're like more on the neon side, which is fine, but I hope they're not all kind of neon. But very pretty. And I think it's 24 of these or something like that. Does this? Oh yeah, 24 pieces in the box. 24 pieces. Okay, it's hella pinks in here. That's pretty. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video watching these. This is pretty. This is pretty. I like that. Now, you know, okay, you guys, like I said, I'm in the lab right now and I am running out of space. It's getting very hard for me to keep the lab clean. Oh, this is pretty. It's giving tennis ball. It's very hard for me to keep the lab clean because I am running out of storage. Not running out, I've ran out of storage. So I don't even really know where I'm gonna keep these. I have like a little nail bin in my walk-in closet, but I'm gonna need a 2-bedroom. Just like straight up, that's gonna be, because like I said, this is the lab, this is my office. I don't have space for everything, but soon come, okay? Soon come, God willing. And my channel just got monetized. I'm so excited. Like, that's so big. If you know, you know. Like, YouTube don't play around like how they used to. Back in the day, like, first time I made my first channel was 2013. Or if you wanted to monetize, all you had to do was turn it on. It's not that way today. So now my channel is monetized. 2-bedroom, here I come. But I'm also not in a rush either. I love my current place and where I stay in my neighborhood and everything like that. I'm not in a rush. But you know, God is good all the time. I'm not complaining. Okay, so I came back and lined up everything that was included in the VANSISOS little kit, okay? All the colors in order. I really need to get me like a little shelf and put right there because I like things to be out and visual and in order. 24 colors, a nail drill, 3 brushes, nail forms, and monomer. You can't beat that. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. But before I go, if you love me back and you enjoy my content, make sure you hype this video. That helps YouTube press it out to like more viewers, push it out to more viewers, and it just really helps support this channel. Okay, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.